Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blaze. Going to take a look at a giveaway win I got from Tactical Llama. He's got a channel on YouTube, also on Instagram. Go check him out. Watch some of his videos. Give him a sub and a like. Got an awesome channel. He does lives and giveaways all the time. He's an awesome guy, a great supporter of the knife community. You need to go over and check him out and give him a sub. Won this awesome my first Jimmy Crow modified, and shout out to Jimmy Crow. Modifies all kinds of knives and sends them out to channels and new channels for them to use for giveaways to help build their channels up, and it's so awesome. This is my first custom Jimmy Crow knife. QSP Penguin. I believe we call that a Wharncliffe blade. Very nice. Dyed the blue micarta scales brown. Still see some remnants of the blue around the edges. Thing is razor sharp. I think Jimmy put an edge on here, or I'm not sure who put the edge on here, but it's razor sharp. Awesome knife. I'm really loving this one. And this is my second QSP Penguin. Got great action. Sweet knife. Good job, Jimmy Crow. Got this thank you card from Tactical Llama. Congrats on your giveaway win. We appreciate your support. Tactical Llama EDC. Got this have a knife day sticker with it, and some QSP stickers, and I also got this little swag pack here that some Tactical Llama stickers, a bigger one and a couple small ones. Good vibe sticker. Nightshade, Raybo, display of knives, and I believe that's a Jimmy Crow sticker there. Crow's Blade and Woodworks. Sweet. Darth Vader. Awesome win. Thanks a lot, Jimmy Crow and Tactical Llama. I appreciate your guys' support. Thanks for watching.